Hi, I'm Youngster 1970, and this is the deck project that is currently being worked on. See, some of it's torn up already, all the railings taken down. And here is where we're having a problem with the deck settling. It wasn't settling, it was sinking. So here's our progress so far, or the progress so far. You got all this stuff over here that needs to go back on the deck then once we're done. Hey, just wanted to give an update here as to how far we are on the deck project. You can see we got all the beams off on this side, all the planking. And we'll go around here. Now we're working on leveling everything out. Over towards the door there, it had sloped down. So we put some shims in underneath there to bring everything back up. And we're going to be working on this today. And then over here yet, we have still to take this apart. So that's basically it. Now we got to level everything out before we can put the new decking material on. So I wanted to point out a couple other things here. This is the drain for the sump pump. It runs out underneath here. We're going to be replacing this with a PVC pipe, and this is a dryer vent. I'm not sure exactly what we're doing with that yet. And this is a vent for the gas hot water heater. So I don't know if we're going to be bringing that out yet or if we're just going to be leaving it like that. And then over here is the drain for the downspout. We're going to be replacing that with a PVC pipe also, and that'll go out through and into the yard. We've got footers, one there, one here. We're going to be extending the deck out. There's another view of the footers. They are down 36 inches with 4 bags of concrete per hole. Over here we've got the deck all leveled on this side reinforced, and over here we had to dig down, and we're gonna have to fill these holes up because the original footers were only down like 2 feet. I don't even think that's 2 feet. So we have rebar in there, and then we're going to be filling that up. Same with over here. That one's down deeper. It's not deep enough. It's probably 2 feet, and we have to fill that up with concrete. And over here, this one's sitting on a big rock, so we're just going to be able to fill this in with concrete so we can put our posts on it. Okay, so far we've gotten the deck extension added here. And we are getting ready to start working on these steps. We've got the concrete footers poured. Now if I showed you the PVC piping that we put in for the sump pump and for the drain that comes off the house, And here is our other hole that's been filled. It's concrete. And here's the third one. This hole took 10 bags of concrete. This one took 10 bags of concrete. And no, that's not right. This one took 18 bags of concrete. That took 10, this took 18, and that took 13. And then we also added, well, we're putting on a set of steps over here. Okay, so far we've got a post up there next to the steps. We're getting some Trex put down here. We have the mini Templar set up. The deck, the steps here have been reinforced. And we've got 2 posts up. Over there we've got a station set up for staining. There's 2 more posts that are already stained. And we got some of the dirt cleared out of here. Well, we're at our 7-day mark, I do believe. It's been like a week, and through all the problems that we encountered with the footers, finally got all that taken care of. We got mostly everything leveled out. We got one side of Trex installed, and over here we have the rafters up. Hoping to get some sheeting on today. I do believe this is day 8 or day 9, and we've got this cover for the grilling area set up, starting to come together. The decking is about the same, and over here we've got the deck cover all shingled out. All the shingles have been installed, and we're going to be working on finishing this up today, getting some flashing on there. I don't know if you can see, but up there we have fixed the downspout, and we have flashing up across the top now, so that roof is pretty much done. And we enclosed all of this here in the front on the header, and we've got the side closed in, and this side is closed with T111. Well, that's 2 weeks worth of work on the deck project. We started out where we were just going to strip the original decking off and put a roof over one part of the deck and then install new Trex decking. But whenever we took the old decking off, we noticed that everything was out of level. So we had to level all of the floor joists out, or the joist on the decking out, and our footers were not up to code, so we had to dig under the footers that we were putting the roof over so it was structurally sound. we updated the footers, brought them up to code, and then we put that extension on the side so that we can put our grilling material over there. I'll be posting some more updates and final as to what everything looks like in the end. It's still an ongoing progress. So please stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.